All right, what's going on, y'all? It's Sean of Master Tutoring here with another SAT type problem for you. Um, just make sure that first of all that you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I post videos like this relatively often. And then also pause the video, attempt this, and then we'll get into it. Okay. All right. So this says expand the following expression: d plus f over 3 squared. Now, the this will use this type of problem on the SAT will typically take the form of it'll give you an expression and they'll ask you which of the following answer choices is equivalent to this expression. And so, but typically what I'm putting here is you'll need to expand the expression to see which ends up matching the answer choice. So that's all we're gonna do here. All right, so D. So let me rewrite first of all. Make sure I get my pen right. All right, so I'm gonna rewrite it. So you have D plus F over 3 squared. Now, so we're gonna expand that. We know that is D plus F over 3 times D plus F over 3. Okay, good. Now, we know that what we want to do after this point is we want to use the FOIL method to multiply this binomial by this binomial. Okay, so first outer, inner, last. So the first term, so it's d squared plus outer terms df over 3 plus inner terms multiplied df over 3 again. And then the last term is multiplied. So that's f squared over 9. I don't like how I wrote that plus there. F squared over 9. Okay, good. Now we can combine like terms here. So that becomes d squared plus 2df over 3 plus f squared over 9. Okay? Sorry, excuse me. And this will be our final answer choice. And so you would typically go and look and see, does this match with any of the answer choices that they gave us? And hopefully it does. And then you select that answer choice. All right. So let me know if you got that one, or if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Share with a friend. Stick around. Have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.